These are some of the accessories from Laserliner. A common thing we hear of all the time is I've balanced my laser on a selection of boxes and it's fallen off and now requires calibration. We have solutions for this in our accessories category. This is a Flexi Clamp Plus. This allows you to clamp on and place your laser on the top. This can also be used as a stand to raise your laser off the floor. As well as this, we have the Vario 45. This is a small, height adjustable tripod at 45 centimeters, designed for the electrical market for electrical sockets. This allows you to get your laser level close to the floor with still adjustment. As well as the Vario 45 tripod, we also have a range of other tripods available, such as the FixPod 155 centimeter tripod, or the VarioStand 120 centimeter tripod. This is available as a 1/4 inch or a 5/8 thread. We also have larger tripods available, such as the VarioStand L300, a 300 centimeter tripod. We have a 3 meter tripod available for the external market as well. You can place your rotary laser on this as it has a 5/8 thread. When the tripods aren't tall enough for the application, we have floor to ceiling poles. This is a 3.3 meter Telepod 330. It has the ability to adjust with a quick slider, as well as fine adjustment from the top section bracket. As well as tripods and floor to ceiling poles, we also have accessories such as 5 meter staffs for measuring externally, or an equivalent, the Flexi slider, for use with your rotary laser and receiver externally. All of these products are backed by the Laserliner warranty, 4 years. Please visit our website or get in touch for more information.